Most of the work we have done so far has been on question answering. The first thing we tried was to compare the sentences in the document with the question sentence using term frequency. Unfortunately, this did not work very well. Often our highest weighted sentence matched many stop words in the question, but did not contain the important words. We used NLTK to remove stop words from the sentences, and also weighted matches by their TF-IDF value. This greatly improved our results. In some tests, we found that about 90% of the time, the sentence containing the answer phrase was given the highest weight by our system. There are some more things we would like to try. We think that if we resolve pronouns and stem verbs before calculating the TF-IDF, we will find the correct sentence more of the time. Additionally, performing question analysis would allow us to determine the question's required answer type and weight potential answer sentences higher if they included entities which would match this type. Currently, our answer consists of an entire sentence from Wikipedia, which could be quite long. We would like to work on narrowing our answer down to a specific relevant part of the question. For question generation, we will start with a simple approach. Using tools like tRegex, we will find common patterns in text which are easily transformed into sentences. For example, appositive phrases can be easily transformed into questions by relating the subject and a positive. In the sentence, Mary, the manager, says hi, we can ask, who is the manager? Similarly, sentences involving forms of to be can be easily changed into questions by moving the verb to the front. If we have the sentence, Mike is anxious, we can move is to the front and ask, is Mike anxious? Additionally, we could semantically trace the negatives and positives in the sentence and then balance them out using type dependencies. If we have an odd number of negative terms, we flip the main object of the sentence. Otherwise, we retain it. Once we have generated many questions, we will rank them using a language model and potentially other metrics, and choose those with the highest score. These are the toolkits we've used.